This is a review for the CleanMate robotic vacuum, and I want to start by showing you this thing goes off every day. Now, they're not a regular vacuum, but if you have especially hardwood floors, I want you to look at this. This is this is 1 day's worth. And look at the dust. I mean, we do have cats, just two, but most of that's just dust. I mean, I don't know if you can get an idea of that, but let me tell you, these things are about half or a quarter the price of some of the other ones. This one's got ultraviolet, which sterilizes the floor, automatic timer, and it's got 6 different patterns, or you can have it where it rotates through all patterns, which is what we do. It comes from the factory like that. It's very easy to take this out. It slides right in here, and you just push the button down and pull it out, and then to dump it, there's a button on the side right here that you push. It swings open, and then the little piece comes out, and then there's a filter in there too. As you can see, it's a paper filter, but it does come with extra filter, and it comes with extra little brushes that you can see on the side right here. These little brushes go around and pick up the garbage. You set the timer. It's 24-hour based. I don't know if it goes in a 12-hour mode, but it doesn't matter. We got it set to go off every day at 2 p.m. and like clockwork, it goes off. Now, the only disadvantage to these things is does not do carpets super well, although it does them okay. But if you have hardwoods, it really does a good job. But you must have cords apart. You see how I have this cord? And if you have like cat toys or cords, you've got to have them off the floor. If you don't have them off the floor, it's going to tangle it up and be a mess. So like over here where the cat stuff is, you see I have the air filter cord up. I mean, it's just little things like that. And it still can get stuck. But it also has a little sonar thing here. We don't want it going in the bathroom because there's rugs on the floor it can get caught up in. And what that does is it sends out a signal across the doorway. Of course, we have a barn door we can close or put, so it doesn't go that way. But that little thing you can put anywhere. But if I was given this scale of 0 to 10 or 1 to 10, and for hardwood floors, I would give it probably an 8, and then for carpets maybe a 6. The battery lasts. It comes with the battery, of course, lithium ion. It lasts a long time. If it goes out of the room, it will not go back to the docking station. It's just too far. But it comes with a remote control, and if you push this button right here, if it's in the same room, it'll go back to the station. And right now it's charging. That's why it's blinking. But you can also manually stop it and change the direction, and then you can turn on and off the vacuum part. This button is for the different modes. You can set the clock, and honestly I forgot what this button does. But again, that's my kitty sneezing. But I mean, if you've ever looked under your bed, if you have hardwood floors, in like just a day, the dust, go at night, lean down and go look under your bed, get a flashlight at night, and I mean, it's just amazing. But this gets it all up, keeps it all nice and clean under the bed and everything, and really does a good job. This is Callie. She helps contribute to the mess, and she's about 17, 18. She's a good kitty. She's been a good kitty. So anyways, there you go. Review for the CleanMate robotic vacuum. I recommend it. don't go spend $500, $600, $700 on those stupid things. It's ridiculous. There's no way it could be that much better than this. For the purpose, keeps the floors nice and clean looking. It does look like after you've cleaned the floors. It sterilizes them too with the UV light. So 2 thumbs up. Again, 8 or 9 out of 10 for hardwoods. 73s.